Okay, so this is a horn. Normally, you would hook it up to a thingamajigger like this, you see? Honk honk. Yes. Anyways, so I thought it might be a good idea to take something such as this, because obviously the bottle is dead, and hook it up to maybe an air compressor. Pretty good damn idea, I think. We don't know if it's gonna work, but my buddy's gonna hold off for a second, and just to show you here, I don't know if you can read this. We're sitting about 100 psi. I mean, I could go up to 140, but somehow I think that's dangerous. So we're gonna go back over. I'm gonna shut the air compressor off. And I go back over here, and we're gonna give it a run. My buddy over here is wearing ear protection, which is a very good idea. But this is basically, you know, how it's done, right? Stick it in there like that, and he's gonna wait till I gracefully get over here, because it does really hurt my ears. And we'll see if this thing works at 100 psi. On your own count.
What?
I said on your own count.
Oh.
Yo, that didn't work. Well, there you go, folks. You have your answer. Okay, it's enough. My neighborhood's gonna kill us. Alright, so, you know, maybe we might try it at 140, I don't know. It might be a death wish. Anyways, over and out.